In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change character in Don't Starve Together. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase the official method to switch your character in Don't Starve Together. You will be able to basically repick your character on any Don't Starve Together world, and you won't need any mods. This is something that was introduced with an actual official update. So the only two items that you need are going to be access to the Celestial Portal and then the Moon Rock Idol. I'm not going to go super in-depth on how to acquire these items. I simply spawned them in to demonstrate how this works, but the Celestial Portal is constructed by using the Portal Paraphernalia on the Florid Postern and adding a purple Moonians and 20 Moon Rocks to it. Like I said, I recommend that you do your own research if you want in-depth explanations on how to acquire these. And the Moon Rock Idol is a craftable item exclusive to Don't Starve Together. It is found in the Celestial Filter and requires a Moon Rock and a purple gem to be crafted. So you can offer this item to the actual portal. So if you drag and click it here, it is going to be offered. And as you can see, we essentially join the server again. And now we are able to switch characters accordingly. So all that you have to do is acquire the Moon Rock Idol and offer it to the Celestial Portal. I apologize for not going super in-depth with the explanations, but for a video of this nature, I just wanted to keep it short and show you the official way to swap characters. And like I said, this is going to work on any world because it is essentially an official method. As you can see, the items are dropped here. You can simply pick them back up and you can swap between any characters available in Don't Starve Together. I recommend that you look up on how to properly craft the Celestial Portal and the Moon Rock Idol if you still aren't sure on how to acquire the materials, and this will allow you to swap characters without using any mods. I hope I was able to help you on how to change character in Don't Starve Together. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.